Welcome to Introduction to Chats. So first of all, why use chats? Chats are just a representation of one more graphical representation of the data that we are using. We've passed through photos, we've passed through shapes, we've passed through smart art as well. Now chats is just one more graphical representation, and the reason for us to use chats is because they're intelligent and they are based on dynamic data that we give, and we don't have to go outside Excel to create them, then bring them in as an image. Now, to create a chart, you need a table or data that is prepared in the format of a table, and I'm going to use this data here. I've created a new sheet called charts to create a table. To create a chart. To do that, just highlight your data and go to insert. Now I need to make you aware of different types of charts. When I say charts, it doesn't mean one single type of chart. It's just that there are many different types of charts in Excel itself, and whether you want to give them in a particular manner or not, it just depends on the type of data and how you want to also showcase or present, because remember, all the graphical tools that we're having in Excel are based on our intention to showcase the data in more than one way. So if you go to the insert menu, and this area we have recommended charts, it will just look at your data and give you type of chart. But the other types of charts, there's nothing like charts. The other type of charts are 2D column. These are column charts, which are here. And then we have tree maps. We have also line maps and area maps, etc., etc. Even pie charts are here, so you can pass through all these. But I'm just going to use the recommended charts. If you highlight your content and just go to recommended charts, click on any chart type, it's going to give you a chart. See, beautiful. It even makes you look more professional because it shows the amount, and like in January, February, March, April. Okay, and it's just amazing. These are things that people used to use Photoshop to do them, but now it's just as easy as this, because it now even groups to electricity, the blue one, water, the orange one, and then internet, the gray one. Okay, so that's how to insert charts. But how do you delete and add back chart items, or to insert other charts? I can still select the same type of data and go to insert. Select another type of chart. Let's say not a line chart this time. Let's select a bar chart or a histogram. Boom. It shows us nothing because, again, the type of data we have given is not really good for a histogram. Okay, but you can. The purpose I did that is to show you can insert more than one type of chart to the same data and to the same Excel sheet. Okay, so it's a possibility. So how do you add? I've just clicked on the chart. I can press delete. That's how I've deleted. So how do you insert and delete or edit the chart contents? I'm going to select this chart, then double click on the title. You see, this is like a text box. We passed through text boxes before, so I'll just say budget spent, then boom, click outside, and that's how it has what is it called, it has edited the content. If I just want to say here, if you want to, this is the side items on the chart itself, just click on it. You'll be able to see all these other options for you to change the chart design. But this type of ribbon only shows up if you select the chart. It will not show up. Let me click away. See, it disappears. If I select the chart again, it shows up. So you're able to change the look, as you can see. You can even change to this one, but This one looks cool, but it has a lot of content in it. Going back to the original one, which is like this. If you want to change more on it, just double click on the chart and it's going to give you all these options on the side, as you can see. Then text options as well. What do you want on the text? No fill, they'll disappear. Solid fill. You want shadows, or do you want the text box as well to show something else? So if you double click, you get the format chart area. If you just single click on the chart itself, you get the chart design tab. If you click on a singular element purposefully, then it highlights all the elements on it. I want to delete these ones, the markers for the points. See, I've clicked and deleted all of them because it's just too much. I have the same content here, so no need to have them on the points here. So if you need to change anything like the legend here, you see it shows up. If I double click on it, it brings all the format axis points. Okay, so that's how you're able to change and format your chart to the best looking graphic that you want to represent the data that you've presented, because at the end of the day, it's your data. So what happens when I right click on this chart? You get also all the options. You can even change the type of chart from here. If I want to change it to a pie chart, boom, it has changed to a pie chart. Okay, so it's just amazing that we can be able to have dynamic type of charts in Excel, and it's now your responsibility to go and use them to represent your data in a perfect sense. See you in the next tutorial. We'll be talking about formatting data into a table.